Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to video number two video for these boots I bought a couple days ago. So I want you to see, this is going to be before, before I clean them up a little bit. Take a good look there. I'll do some close-ups too, but you'll see the condition of these boots right now. So again, I'm not going to do a military shine, which I can do easily. It's 4 years of the military. I know how to do a pretty good shine by now, but I'm going to give it a base shine. You just can't do a military shine to a hard-working boot like this. This is a Harley Davidson boot. Now, if you didn't see the first video, I bought this at Goodwill in Pacific Beach 3 days ago. I'm pretty sure I can probably sell it for 4 times the amount that I bought it for. I bought it for $19. So most of my items I get, I don't do cleanup, whatever. They're just, ready to go. I don't do anything extra to the items that I buy. But this being a Harley Davidson product, a little dirty, I'm going to give it a little bit of wax and get it kind of cleaned up. So what I did, I also bought me some wax, of course. Good old Kiwi, okay? And you're going to see what happens when I get done with these boots here, all right?